this particular topic, you have to write 2 equations and 2 unknowns, and then you have to solve. And it does take a little bit of thought. There's always like a total amount and then kind of a total amount with the rates. So, for example, this particular one, the Howard and the Harris family, they used sprinklers last year, of course. A lot of people who have grass use sprinklers unless you live back east. The water output rate for the Howard family sprinkler was 25 liters per hour, and the water output rate for the Harris's family was 30 liters per hour. Families used their sprinklers for a combined total of 65 hours. So if you just said, oh, well, the time that the Howard family used was, say, X, and the Harris family is Y, then when you add them together, you should get 65 because those are the times. Then when you take the rate times time, you get how much total is used. So if you do, say, 25 times X and 30 times Y, that's going to give you how much they output complete total. So you would do 25X plus 30Y equals the total amount, which is 1775. Now, you can solve these using a graphing calculator. You just have to solve for Y in each one, and then you can plug it in your graphing calculator. So I can show you how to do that. Here's what they do. They solve for Y, and then when you graph each line where they intersect, you might have to change the window too, but where they intersect is the X and the Y. So Howard's would be the X and Harris would be the Y. So you can do that, or you can solve by substitution, where you solve for Y and then plug it into this Y. But let me teach you, I'm going to teach you with the graphing calculator because it does make it just a little bit better. So the combined weight of a large box and small box is 70 pounds. So we're going to write X plus Y equals 70. So the weight of the small, well, let's just do large is X and small is Y, okay? So the combined weight is 70. So, so if X is how much the large boxes weighs, if they're doing 65 of them, we have to do 65 times X to find the total weight of all the large boxes. Now they did 70 small boxes, so we have to multiply those to get the total weight. And then this is the total weight combined of everything in the truck. So if we solve for Y, we get Y equals negative X plus 70. If you solve for Y here, you get a negative 65X plus 4675, divide both by 70, and that's going to be your Y. Okay, so if we use the graphing calculator, oh wait, I have to. Okay, so I'm going to go to Y equals. So that's right here. Do you see the Y equals right here? Wait, did it go there? Okay, so Y equals, okay, I've never used this calculator before. There we go. So my first one is negative X plus 70. And my second one is negative 65X divided by 70. Take the right arrow and then do plus. I didn't even use my calculator for this, so it doesn't matter. 7645, no, 75, wait. 4675, okay, divided by 70. Then when I graph, I want to find where they intersect, but I can't see anything, so I'm going to zoom out. I just want to see where they are. Keep clicking this, so we want to see where they intersect. So I think you can click on this, or can you move it? Let's see if we zoom in. Nope. Okay, so that zooms in on the X axis. We can't pick up the screen and move it. Okay, so it looks like it's going to be about 40, 32. Okay, let's just change our window. So we'll come back here, change our window. We'll do our X minimum. We don't need to have this low. We can just put it at, let's say, 32, okay? And our X max, we really just like 64. And we'll do a scale of Sure. We'll do 8. No, let's do 2. Every x value will be 2. Y minimum, we definitely could just do like, I don't know, 0. And maximum, we'll just do like 40. And we'll count by 2s. We'll see how that works. So we'll just say, okay, let's do that. Awesome. Okay, that doesn't help us, but because we want to know right where they intersect. So could we zoom in on this? I bet you can. Okay, we're running out of, what? Dang it all. Okay, we're going to go back to our window. I said, let's do, no, let's do 20 to 45. And we'll count by 1s. And then we'll go 0. Wait, I wanted to go by 2s. What was it? Like 35 or something? I want to display the numbers. How can we? There we go. Oh, wait, we do want to display them. Okay, that's it. We're going to go like this. Where do they intersect? Okay, we want our first curve to be y sub 1, second curve to y sub 2, guess point, yes. Okay, there we are, 45, 25. Gosh, I forgot we could just do the, what was that called? Where they intersect. Awesome. So X was a large box, was 45, and the small box was 25. Okay, so now that I have that figured out, took us a while, didn't it? Okay, we'll fix, this one will go faster. Family has 2 cars. The first car has a fuel efficiency of 30 miles per gallon of gas, and the second has a fuel efficiency of 20 miles per gallon of gas. During one particular week, the 2 cars went to combined total of 1,800 miles for a total gas consumption of 70. So if we did car 1 is X, car 2 is Y, so together they were, they used 70 gallons. So this is how many gallons they used. The consumption is miles per gallon. So 30 times however many miles they went, and then 20 times however many miles the second car went, had to go 1,800. How many gallons was consumed? So we're going to solve for Y. And then when we solve for Y here, we're going to divide by 20. All right, this is going to be hard for me not to reduce. So this is -3/2 X plus 90. Okay, so super quick. We'll put these in here, and this is awesome because we can do the intersection. Oh, wait. Y equals, so we do -X plus 70. This is a -3/2. Do the right arrow, so you get X plus 90. And then just do intersect. Boom. You don't even have to graph it. So Y sub 1, guess point. Yeah, boom. Okay. This is just like the graphing calculator. We have to zoom out until we see the lines, and then we can guess. Okay. Once you see the intersection, then you can go to intersect. Find intersection. There it is. Do you see it? 40, 30. Woo! So we'll just do, it won't matter which is which. Nice. Okay, and then I'll do one more for you. This is awesome. 2 types of tickets, advanced and same day. So this is going to be advanced, same day. The combined cost of 1 advanced ticket and 1 same day ticket is $70. So if I combine those, if I buy 1 of each, $70. For 1 performance, 15 advanced tickets and 40 same day tickets were sold. Total amount paid was $1,800. What's the price of each kind? So Y equals -X plus 7. I feel like we use that line a lot. So 40Y equals -15X plus 1,800. Divide both by 40. Blah. So, okay, 5 goes into here, 3, 8. So -3/8 X plus 4 goes 18. 4 times 16, 17, 18, 45. That's why. Okay, get to our graphing calculator. This is so fun. Okay, so we're going to go to Y equals -X plus 70 And then the next one is a negative 3/8. Right arrow, x plus 45. Then when we graph, remember we're going to zoom out until we see the intersection. See it? Awesome. Go back to y equals and do intersection. Make sure we have both of the curves, and it's 40, 30. So x was 40, 30. Nice. Okay, that's the end of the lesson. Sorry about the beginning taking so long.